Hi, I'm Miss Starr, an investigator with Channel 5. As you may have heard, several different groups of 5th grade students at a place called Starbase have recently been reported solving a variety of pretty serious problems in the world in very creative ways using something called STEM. Skeptical? So are we. I mean, we were talking about children saving the world with plant stocks. Highly unlikely. And that's why I'm here on scene at this Starbase place to try to get to the bottom of these reports and find out what's really going on.
Oh, hello. Hi, welcome to Starbase. How can I help you?
Hello, I'm Miss Starr from Channel 5. May I ask you a few questions?
Of course, yeah.
What is your name and what do you do here?
I am Miss Meridian, and...
Meridian, as in the middle line dividing an object in two equal halves. Like that, Meridian.
Exactly. How can I help you?
Can you explain to me what Starbase is exactly?
Of course, yeah. Starbase is a program funded by the Department of Defense, and it is here for 5th grade students. Unfortunately, in our country, there aren't enough people who are exploring STEM or who want to go into STEM careers in the future. And so classes will come here to Starbase for about 5 days, and they will get excited about STEM and explore STEM and see how they can solve problems using STEM in our world.
STEM. Again, very interesting. Would you mind if I have a look around, possibly meet the rest of the staff?
Yes, please, of course. This is our school. Here we have a computer lab, and down here are some bathrooms and a drinking fountain. And we have 2 classrooms. One is way down there, and there's another one in here. Oh, you know what? It looks like some of our teachers are meeting. Would you like to meet them?
Yes.
Awesome. Hi, everybody. This is Miss Starr from Channel 5. She has some questions for us.
Oh, hello.
All right.
Thank you. You've been very helpful.
Of course.
Okay, so I have a report that I'm writing, and I would like to start with all of your names.
Okay, sure. Hi, Miss Starr. I'm Mrs. Beaker.
Miss Beaker. As in a flat-bottomed cylindrical container, usually with a pouring spout, and especially one used in a laboratory. That beaker?
Sure.
Yeah.
Not from around here.
Okay. Well, I'm Mrs. Atoms. I'm glad you're here. It's great to meet you.
Atoms, as in the smallest complete piece of matter. That atoms.
Yes.
And you, sir?
I'm Mr. Science.
Science, as in the systematic knowledge of the physical or material world gained through observation and experimentation. That science.
Yeah, the fun stuff that we do here all the time.
This is getting more and more suspicious. And you?
I'm Mrs. Ice.
Ice, as in ice, baby?
Well, I was thinking more like the solid state of water, but yeah.
Well, I need to talk some business with you. Are you aware of the alleged reports of the amazing Starbase students and their accomplishments? What is your reaction?
We were just talking about that. We're so excited about our students. They're amazing.
Well, I'm here to get the facts. These students are allegedly using something called STEM.
Yeah.
Is this true?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you help our viewers understand how plant stocks could possibly help 5th graders accomplish anything?
STEM plants.
Miss
Right, got it.
It's not plant stalks, although, plants and plant science is a part of science and STEM. STEM is an acronym, a word made up of the first letters of other words. S is for science, T is for technology, E is for engineering, and M is for mathematics. STEM. It's a common thread in schools these days.
Oh. Well, I guess that makes a lot more sense than stems of the plants that my viewers may have been picturing. STEM sounds very interesting, but what would you say is the real secret to your student success? I'm not buying this STEM stuff.
Well, actually, Miss Starr, STEM is super important. But our students really wouldn't be able to accomplish very much at all if it wasn't for RDRT.
Yeah.
Very important.
A secret robot is behind all of this, isn't it? I knew it.
No, you're thinking of R2D2 maybe?
No, yeah,
RDRT's not a robot.
not a robot at all. Although, actually, that would be super
That would
awesome.
be really cool.
I wish we had that. We should write that down. No, RDRT is another acronym. It stands for Responsibility, Dedication, Respect, and Teamwork. Our students are really respectful. They're also very
Definitely.
dedicated, they're responsible, and they show great teamwork.
That's right.
Teams. Interesting. I did notice that when I walked into this room, I observed that there were signs on each table, and inside those signs were names
Yep.
and pictures. Does that have something to do with what you guys might call teams?
Yes.
Yes, it
Absolutely.
does.
Yes, our fifth graders do most of their investigations in teams. Starbase students experience all of the different jobs as they build skills for teamwork.
Jobs. Sounds fishy. Tell me more about these jobs.
The 4 team jobs are manager, technician, communicator, and gopher. The manager helps the team by keeping everyone focused and checking and reporting on team progress and making final decisions for the team. The technician assists with the technology that the team uses. The communicator shares the team's ideas and projects with the rest of the class. And the gopher gets supplies and returns them.
So you're telling me that every day they come, they choose a different job?
Yes.
Well, I need to know more about what kinds of STEM you actually do with students while they're here.
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. That's the best part. We were just talking about what we're going to be doing with our 5th graders and the different STEM things, like science. We're going to be looking at chemistry and some different experiments with that. Technology, we have Lego robotics and the CAD computer lab. For engineering, same thing in the computer lab and a fun experiment called Egbert that we're going to do on the first day.
So excited about that.
Yeah, and then mathematics, doing metrics like our triple beam balance and our graduated cylinder. Oh, there's just so many great STEM things that we get to do with our students.
I'm still not convinced that all of this STEM could turn these 5th graders into powerful problem solvers as the reports seem to indicate. Let's start with day 1, okay? Can you show me what these 5th graders are going to do on their first day that they arrive at Starbase?
Sure.
Yeah, awesome.